Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover statements. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover if statement. Syntax is, if expression is true, then statement. Else if expression is true, then statement. Else, statement. Also, we can nest, if statement. That is if statement within if statement. In the next program, I am going to cover switch statement. Syntax is switch of expression, different case values, followed by statements and break. Break stops program flow through switch case structure, and default, if none of the cases match the value. In the next program, I am going to cover go to statement. Syntax is go to label. Go to statement jumps to label statement. Label should start with letter and may contain numbers. Label is followed by colon to separate from statements. In the next program, I am going to cover for statement or loop. Syntax is for, opening bracket, starting expression or initialization, continuation or exit condition, action per iteration, closing bracket, followed by loop statements. In the next program, I am going to cover break statement. We can use break statement to break out of loop or switch case. In the next program, I am going to cover while statement or loop. Syntax is while, expression, statements. Make sure to take necessary actions per iteration, within while block, to avoid infinite loops. In the next program, I am going to cover do while statement or loop. Syntax is do, statements, while expression. Make sure to take necessary actions per iteration, within do block, to avoid infinite loops. In the next program, I am going to cover continue statement. Continue statement skips current iteration and continue with the next iteration. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy ebook on C program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.